Whoa! All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, we are going to be running and reviewing and jumping this DEERC RC car. Now, this is their 207E. They call this a 110 scale. It does come with two of these 3S batteries. And at the end of this video, I'm going to take this top off and show you how to put the batteries in. But this thing pretty much comes ready to run. You don't have to buy anything except for 3 AA batteries that will go in the remote control. A lot of these parts are like replaceable, so if you would end up breaking something, it shows you right in the manual all the different part numbers and for all these different parts, so you can order different parts if you end up breaking some. But a lot of the stuff is actually metal on it. It's got metal axles, metal gears in it. Looks like a really cool car, so let's get this thing ripping. And like I said, I'm going to take it over a jump, and there's actually a big, huge pile of stones right here in front of me. Maybe we'll see if we can go up that pile of stones. There's a little, I think right on this side, there's a little red button in there. You will hold that button in, and then it turns on. And now it is on. Go ahead. Yep, see? Hit the 4-wheel drive. Here we go. One other thing you can do with this RC car is on the remote control, you can turn the speed all the way up, and you can turn the speed all the way down. If you have a young boy or a young girl, you can actually start this thing really, really slow. Put it on the real slow speed, Patrick. That is the slow speed. Right there. That's full throttle. You pretty much can't even wreck it going the slow speed. All right, now let's go full speed. It's gonna rip. Yeah. Whoa, oh, okay. That thing rips. Holy crap. Woo! We were throwing rocks everywhere. All right, here we go. That thing is pretty fast. It's pretty fast. I like it. Oh yeah, well, we landed it. Oh, that works good. That's a nice little ramp. We're going to try to go up this hill. I don't know how good we're doing. It's pretty steep. Oh! Oh crap, that's pretty good. We had to take that tire off because I think it's making the back unhook, but no big deal. That's all right. Oh, now you got it and I didn't get it on film.
Is that one not recording?
Oh, maybe it is. Huh. Oh, it goes better now with the tire off. That's what it is. It's way better. All right, it's way better with the tire off. Look at that. That sucker comes right up the dang hill. That's awesome. Oh, okay, yep. Good one, good one. Oh, look at that, all the way to the top, baby. That's awesome. Whoa, shoot. Uh-oh, what the heck is that? Whoa! Yeah, it actually goes better with the tire off, I think. It's too heavy. Thing goes pretty good. It's all muddy. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope you enjoyed this review. Definitely a lot of fun. I think it is a little better if you just take that tire off the back. It's too heavy back there. It definitely rips. I got her when we went through the water, the dirt, up over that hill. You seen that? It's definitely fast. I got rocks coming out of it. To get in the body, all you have to do is take out these two clips. And now I have the tire off. We just got done running this thing. And it seems to run better if you just take that tire off. And then it unclips from the back here. There we go. And then there's a wire. You can just spin it nicely if you want, because there's lights on this. Oh, light, it must be these headlights that are wired to the top. But I'm going to unplug that. You don't have to unplug it, but right here's where the battery is. You just clip this over. We got it really, really dirty.
Hopefully you can't hear that music.
Just flip it over like that, pick it up. And then there's the 3S battery. And then the red, this is where you plug it in. These red spots. But to charge it, you're going to plug this little white plug in into the charger right here. That's about it. But then you have the motor, has little heat. There's a little heat shield or heat sink on it here. There's a center drive shaft that's metal that goes from this gear up here to these gears. So it makes it four-wheel drive. Little shocks in the front and back. They say there's oil in there. I'm not sure. I'm not tearing them apart to check, but it was a really, really fun little car. You don't have to worry about ever losing your clips either because they got them hooked on the front here. You just clip that over the back. There we go. Just put this clip on. This clip on. And these are some of the other parts that did come with it. It does come with that little brush. This little wrench right here. And this is a little bag of extra clips. These little clips here. Little bolts and nuts. And a little screwdriver.